On August 14, 2016, at 21 minutes past midnight, famous Chinese actor Wang Baochang posted a statement to his personal Weibo account. The statement explained that due to his wife Ma Rong having an affair with his agent Song Zhi, Wang planned to file for divorce with his wife and terminate the employment of his agent. On the morning of the 15th, Wang went in person to Beijing Chaoyang District Court to begin the divorce proceedings and requested custody of the couple's 2 children. The following morning, Ma sent her lawyer to the court, aiming to sue Wang for defamation of character due to the intense public attention of her husband's posts. On the 18th, Ma submitted evidence claiming that Wang had in fact had an affair. However, her claim was proven false with the testimony of another star, Huang Bo. Propeller TV visited Withers, a high-profile international law firm, to see what legal implications this case could have on the couple.
I am Julian Lipson. I am a divorce lawyer in London, and I am in charge of the family law team here. Withers has arguably the leading divorce practice in the United Kingdom, and our main thing is advising very successful individuals about their personal and corporate arrangements. And so we are a full-service firm, and probably one of the only full-service firms that has a worldwide presence acting for very successful individuals. If it's true that the wife in this case has taken money away from the marital bank accounts or the husband's bank accounts just before they separated, most legal systems would take quite a bad view of that, because judges do not like the idea of people taking the law into their own hands and making out their own divorce settlements by taking the money before the court has got involved. And certainly in our legal system and in the legal system of Hong Kong, any transaction which is undertaken by a party in the few years before they get divorced is presumed to be a transaction motivated by a bad thought, and therefore the court will reverse that transaction and return the money to where it should have been before it was taken illegitimately. So, looked at through our system, it would be for the wife in this case to prove that either she didn't take the money or that she took it with a legitimate intention for an agreement or whatever. And if she couldn't show that, the court would reverse the transaction and give the money back to the husband. And generally speaking, if people have done that and are found to have done that, they generally are treated worse in the divorce case than if they had not done it. The irony is that she's probably going to draw more attention to all the dirty laundry of her marriage by this defamation lawsuit, which no doubt will be dealt with in public, than she would have done had she not brought the defamation lawsuit. And frequently, defamation lawsuits can be what we call an own goal, i.e. a decision which proves to be a bad decision for the person who takes it, because they find that instead of reducing the amount of publicity of their alleged behaviour, it increases the amount of publicity of it. And so she may find that she ends up being really criticised in that lawsuit unless she can prove that she did not have an affair or anything which is similar to an affair with the husband's manager. She should be abandoning this defamation lawsuit, which is likely to result in something bad for her and no good publicity. And he should be making her a realistic settlement proposal so as to make her nervous of pursuing litigation, because she might not get more than he's offering her. So he needs to make her a good offer, and she needs to be realistic about what she expects.